equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV26 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the screws that hold the motor cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located around the motor cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the cover off, you can now see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean environment will help ensure the longevity of your new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, locate the motor's wiring harness. Carefully disconnect it by pulling the connector straight out. Next, you will need to unscrew the motor from its base. There are typically 3 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and gently lift the motor out of the housing. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. Once the motor is secured, reconnect the wiring harness by pushing the connector back into its socket. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the motor cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues later on. Before you finish, remember to check for any loose parts or screws. A thorough inspection can save you from future headaches. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of repairs, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson SV26 back in. Test the vacuum to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your appliance care. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV26. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.